on the edges of the earth, again, is what I believe.
Wait. Time out. Are you a flat earth theorist?
It's so clearly obvious that the world isn't flat.
The earth is flat and stationary.
You're a flat earther.
Does that surprise you?
Yo, bro.
Go ahead.
On the edges of the earth,
Right.
there is shit that they don't want us to get to. Don't ask me what's over there because I'm here with you. I don't fucking know.
Don't
but I
at
do
me.
know. But I do know that there is shit on the edge of the earth past the ice wall. And that shit has been proven. Rear Admiral Byrd. Look him up. He will tell you that.
Rear Admiral who?
Byrd.
Byrd.
B-Y-R-D.
Admiral Byrd was officer in charge of the project. Suddenly, the outposts of the polar sea came into sight. Discovered a new peak, Mount X-Ray. Located a great new range of mountains, 150 miles from the South Pole. Discovered Land O'Lakes, a fantastic snow-free oasis in the ice desert.
Because they find out it's really usable, not only to live in, but militarily. But strangely enough, there's left in the world today an area as big as the United States that's never been seen by a human being. And that's beyond the pole on the other side of the South Pole from Middle America. And I think it's quite astonishing that there should be an area as big as that unexplored.
When he came back and gave that interview, bruh died after that. Granted, it probably could have been from, I don't know, natural causes, whatever the fuck that means. I don't know. But he seen it and he came back and reported it, and then bro died after that.
So you're saying there's things beyond the ice wall that the government doesn't want us to
To
know?
have, yes. Or they don't want the regular people, you and I, to have. I know that when he was in that interview, he seemed pretty fucking healthy to me.
Do you not agree with the proven things that we can see with our naked eye that show us that the world is indeed
Like what?
round?
The curvature?
The curvature. Of the
Where
earth,
do you
yes.
see that curvature?
Well, we're in the fucking Navy, so
Right, and
sea, yeah.
when I was on the brow, or not the brow, when I was on the, what was that, the sail, and I looked out, there was no curvature. I didn't see one, but it was a flat fucking line, and we were just going through a fuck ton of water, bro.
If you actually go out to a lake, and there are boats on that lake, the farther away a boat is, the more the bottom of the boat will disappear, and you'll basically just see the mast of the boat. And as a boat goes farther and farther away, the last thing you will see is the very top of the mast of that boat. And that's because the boat is actually going over the horizon that's curved. And that means that as it goes farther and farther away, you see less and less of the bottom of it and more of the top of that. You can see that with binoculars. Yeah,
Why don't I take a telescope and just look straight ahead?
That is a thing that you can look that up. I watched a video on that, and they were on. I see, and it sucks that I don't remember, but they were in somewhere, right? They were somewhere in some city. Looked across the ocean with a strong ass magnifying, or with a strong ass telescope. My bad. With a strong ass telescope, looked across the fucking ocean and seen another fucking city. Now I'd have to find the video and send it to you and all that good shit, right? But that shit's a thing.
Now going back to the question I asked you earlier.
What?
Now, do you think like maybe believing that video as opposed to, I don't know, science would be a
bruh, every picture that has came out from NASA has looked fake as fuck, bro. Every picture that they have posted does not look like a real fucking photo.
So
bro.
If they look fake,
and then they say it's like a fisheye lens. Like, why are we using that kind of lens when we go up there? For what? Why can't we just use a regular ass lens, take the picture, bring it back down, and show the people? Do you believe that picture that you've seen is 100% facts? I definitely believe it's ultra because one, it's a fucking, like, it's not even a real picture. Like, somebody made that on their computer, bro. There's no real way of knowing whether the earth is round or flat.
I'm not a scientist, but would you agree also that you are not a scientist?
Yeah, absolutely, 100%. But I'm also not a sheep thinker. I'll put it
Oh,
that way.
here we go.
I don't believe in sheep thinking. Like, if I'm gonna
sounds
believe,
like you'll believe anything that someone tells you, so long as it's interesting
no,
to you.
absolutely not. It's hard, bro. It's a hard life, man. It is. They are fucking us, and it's like they have so many people that believe in whatever the fuck that they're spewing out. It's like they can say whatever now. Like, they can just literally kill a legend in front of us and tell us, yeah, it was an accident. Oops. And then everybody's like, yeah. It was an accident. Like, what the fuck, bro? That doesn't make sense to me. I'm going to believe
Continent of Antarctica.
what makes sense to me, whether it be the science or whether it's not.
And in most cases, it's not.
Most cases, because they tend to lie to us, bro. Like,
Hey.